What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Love K, aka Love Couture with Sugar Shania Love. Hey, so today we're gonna be doing a hair tutorial video of my version of a slick back curly natural ponytail with the two little twisties on the side. And before we start this video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and get in the comment section down below and tell your girl what you want to see next, okay? And I'm also going to show you all the products that I'm going to use in this video before I actually begin to do my hair. This is actually my hair fresh out the shower. I just got out the shower and then came to film this video. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all all the products and then I'm going to explain a few of why I use them, and then we're going to get into the video. All right, y'all? Okay, cool. So the first product is actually going to be this olive oil moisturizer. I don't know if y'all can see. I think y'all can see. But yeah, so it's going to be this Palmer's olive oil moisturizing hair milk. It is for frizzy prone hair, which I don't know if y'all can see on the camera, but I kind of got a little frizz on top right now. And it is supposed to moisturize rich in formula and strong shiny hair. So it's supposed to get in them roots, moisturize their hair, you know, have you looking all silky smooth and stuff. Also, I want to let y'all know all the products in this video are not sponsored at all. This is just what I use for my hair. So yeah, just had to throw that out there. The next one is, I use a lot of Cantu products. So the first Cantu product is the Cantu Natural Hair Moisturizing Activator Cream. Okay, y'all, I had a brain freeze right there. But yeah, so this is what I use also to moisturize my hair. It's good. And what I like about this specific one made by Cantu is that some products you put in your hair and it doesn't actually moisturize in all the way. So this one does. It doesn't leave any residue in your hair or on top of your hair. It fully seeps in and moisturizes to your scalp. So that's what I like about this product. And then also we have, which I'm running out of, the leave-in conditioner. So my hair is really thick, especially towards the middle. So what I like to do is, you know, saturate it in the leave-in conditioner to help soften it and, you know, make it less tangled and matted and stuff. So that's what I use on my hair, so that it does not get as tangled and it's soft. Dang, running out of this too. So this is the coconut curling cream that I use by Cantu as well. And I really like this product because it's moisturized in as well. But I especially like this for my ends because I don't know if y'all can see, but I mean, it's kind of curly right now, but it gives it that extra curl and that extra oomph and make it a little bouncy. So that's what I like about this product. And then on to the edge control gel that I use. I actually use the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed edge control for my hair. I don't use the regular edge controls by Eco Styler or anybody else because it makes my hair flake and it doesn't give it like as good of a hold as I want it to. So I actually like this product because it does have a good hold. If you're somebody like me who has thick natural hair, it is good and it has a good hold. It's long lasting, lasts all day, doesn't have any problems. Even when I wrap it at night and wake up in the morning, my hair is not frizzy at all. So that's what I like about that product. And then this is my brush right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is my pink paddle brush. I actually just bought this brush because I broke my other brush. I actually like Conair brushes because if you are somebody who has a trend of breaking combs and brushes like me because you have thick curly hair or you just got thick hair in general, Conair, I recommend Conair. I clean my brushes out. I clean my brushes out every other week, same way when I wash my hair. So I make sure I'm not putting any dirt back into the hair that I've already pre-washed. So yeah, but I recommend Conair brushes and I like them. And then this, I use this brush too when I'm trying to brush down and slick down my hair, which y'all gonna see me doing this video. And I do that because this it's not it's a hard brush, but it's not as hard. Like if you brush your hair with it, it's not gonna hurt your scalp or anything. But this is also a Conair brush as well, and I like this brush for slicking down my hair. And then I just have your regular old comb that I use to part my hair. I actually kind of have a part. I got a part right now, but I'm probably, freshening it up by reparting it. And then I have my handy dandy spray bottle. Now in this bottle, I do have tea tree oil, olive oil. I also have Cantu for Kids detangler. And if you're wondering why I use for Kids detangler, it's because it gives my hair a softer feel, because it's not as harsh on the hair. Well, really, none of the Cantu products are harsh on the hair, but compared to like adult or teen detangler, it doesn't give me that soft effect that I want on my hair, or soft feel that I want on my hair. So I actually do use the detangler for kids made by Cantu. That's what I use. And then the tea tree oil and the olive oil. And I also put a few drops of vitamin E in here and just shake it all up. So yeah, that is all the products that I will be using in this hair video. So now we're finna start doing my hair, y'all. All right, I already have it pre-sectioned in the back. Let me see if I can show y'all. So I have it pre-sectioned in the back here. And it's not a straight part because the part up here is not straight as well, and I didn't want to mess up the part that I already have. I'm just gonna refreshen this part, cause you just do. So all I'm doing here is I pinned up one side of my hair so that I could really work with this side of my hair and give y'all a view of how thick it is and things like that. I hope y'all can see. But yeah, so it already looked kind of long right here, but it's even longer. It's gonna be even longer after I brush it out. And then if y'all ever see me with my hair straightened, matter of fact, I'll put a video in here of my hair straightened. And that's how long my hair is right now. So yeah, y'all, we finna get into this side, then we're gonna move on to that side. Okay, y'all, so after I have detangled both sides of my hair, this side is already detangled. I just pinned it up so it wouldn't interfere with me detangling this and detangling and moisturizing this side. So now that I have done both sides, what I'm about to do is take this side down, and this is when we're going to apply our black castor flaxseed eco styler gel to each side of our hair. But before I do that, I am going to refresh my part. And then I'm going to slick down both sides, and we're going to put it in a ponytail. And then we're going to take out the sides of the hair, and then we're going to make our little curls, all right? Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Let's see if I can put the camera like right here. that is the finished look. That is going to be the end of this video. I hope you all like the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and get in the comment section down below and tell your girl what you want to see next. Okay, bye.